Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the layout of a meeting. So assuming I'm on a Google Meet meeting over here, and I want to change layout to maybe how the grid, how the images or the profiles should appear on my screen, I can come down here, come to these three dots and click, and then you can come to change layout over here. And you have the option to have the auto, which is dynamic. You will have these arranged depending on a number of things. But if you want the tiled, which is a legacy type, you can even define how many pictures or profiles should you have on your screen. By default, it is going for 16, but you can increase it to maybe 30, or you can make it 42 or thereabout. You can keep increasing depending on what you want. Okay, and then you can do to go to spotlight. You can have it. So you can have the spotlight, only the spotlighted face on the screen, or you can have people's in the sidebar. This arrangement that you have people by the sidebar, and then you have maybe the main speaker over here speaking. Now, if you want to hide the tile without a video, you can also do that from here. You can enable that. So anyone that doesn't have a video opened is going to be hidden in this meeting. I don't want that, and I want to go with the tiled legacy. So once you click on out of this is going to now showcase the tiled legacy. But because right now we are not so many, that's why you will not be able to see that. In a nutshell, that is how to change the layout of a given meeting. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.